How's it going, everyone? So I just bought this machine about 3-4 months ago. I got it for a bargain, to be honest with you. And I just bought this low profile vise off of Amazon, and it looks pretty good. I mean, this is machined aluminium, and the jaws are 25mm, and I'm not quite sure what the overall height of it was. I can't remember. Yeah, so 35. Yeah, about 35mm. Yeah, it's so far is all right. Where it sits here, these are serrated like blades that actually dig into the material. Let me just see if I can open it. Right, I'm not going to find the right Allen key. Never do find anything when you're looking for it. Oh yeah, and this table I actually made at my workplace. Just put some caster wheels on it. Oh, it's not M5, it must be the 6, which I don't think I have in here. There we go. Right, so how this works is just loosen that. This is what grips the work, and then these actually clamp down to the base plate itself. I should be able to move it now. Yeah, I don't know if you can see that, but it has dug in. Focus. Yeah, so it digs into the material itself, and the blades. Yeah, the blades themselves are serrated. So I got this off Amazon, like I said. It was a company called Inception Machines. And yeah, if you go onto the website, I mean, you could download the whole Fusion 360 files for this, and yeah, you can download soft jaws straight off their site, so it is pretty good. What I'm going to do now is, I was cutting something not long ago, which was this, and what happened was I used super glue, and as it was cutting through, it just shifted, and yeah, super glue broke the bond and it just came off. So that's why I went and got myself one of these vices. I mean, for a low profile vice, it was the cheapest I could find that looked half decent. Yeah, so I'll be uploading a video of making this bracket again of this vise. Alright.